worm.
Ew, worms.
Ew, fish a worm. Eat it.
No thanks.
Eat it. Put my net down there and see what we can find on the bottom.
All right.
What's nice?
Right.
Hey, look!
Bryson, what do you see in the water?
That's snail down there.
A snail, let's see.
See it down there? Look at it. Got it.
Let's take a look. Show us.
Ew, there's something inside. It hits.
Bryson, show us what you have.
3 snails. Look inside there. Look at all those snails.
So are they the kind of snails that you would see on a forest floor? Or where did you find them?
In water.
In the water, right? Down
See in there?
here.
Oh, I think see. In there.
What is in this water? What do you see?
I see. Question. You think this creature eats mosquitoes? He's trying to fly, are you?
It might.
Might,
Yeah.
but he's trying to fly.
Dragonflies and damselflies actually do hunt other insects, don't they?
Yeah, and this one's a little smaller than
They're
dragonfly.
predatory.
Yeah, they're
That means
smaller.
they hunt other insects. Oh
They
yeah,
can't eat me.
a damselfly is smaller than a dragonfly.
Yeah. A
It's
dragonfly can eat a damselfly.
Yeah, a dragonfly. It's not dragonfly, that's a damselfly.
Ooh, look at that leech.
Yeah, that is a dragonfly.
Wow. So what is the head and what's the tail end of the leech? Is that the tail end that's moving? People at home, do you know? Is that the part that's moving, is that the tail or the head of the leech?
Let these guys go.
Look at it, 1, 2, 3.
Go.
There we go. Look at everything. Oh, one snail there. And the leech. Bryson, watch out here. There we go. Look at them swim away. It's hard to see.
Look at it.
There we go. All right, critters. Thanks for letting us observe you.
Still got one. Still got it. This Mr. Tempe doesn't want it. I got a fish. I got a fish.
We're gonna stop reeling. Keep reeling. Keep your chip up. Stop. Get this back this way.
Ooh, you got a fish. Wow,
what is
buddy.
that?
Look at that.
Yeah, rainbow trout.
Where'd it go?
Thumbs up.
Oh, hey Leah, what do you think? You're gonna wear your hat?
Ew.
Is it yucky? It's all wet. Got a little bit of slime on it.
So sticky.
At least Daddy saved it.